Presentation by Dr. Boris Mavashev, twice nominated for the prestigious new environmental award, the Earthshot Prize, Great Britain, on the topic Manifestations of Global Warming, Earthquakes and Their Forecast, presented at the World Innovation Conference, United Nations Climate Change, COP27 in Sharm-El-Sheikh, Egypt, from 8th to 18th of November 2022. Reads Gershon Astrachan. Manifestation of Global Warming, Earthquake and Their Forecast, Boris Mavashev, Director General of the Association Amuta Center for Science and Education of Repatriates from Central Asia, Historical Nature Museum, Jerusalem, Moshe Levi Street, 14-8, email borism0939 About the author. Boris Mavashev, physicist, Doctor of Science in Geochemistry and Ecology, member of New York Academy of Science, author of scientific geochemical, radon, and meteorological discoveries, harbingers of earthquakes and phenomena of connection between seismic activity and global climate change. Repatriated to Israel in 1990, developed universal method of earthquake prediction, actively takes part in many international innovation United Nations Climate Change Forums, COPs. His scientific research, roadmap, climate change, and earthquake prediction are included in the program of the World Climate Conference, COP26, in Glasgow in 2021, at which was attended by 128 heads of governments of the world. For outstanding scientific achievements, Boris Mavashev was awarded the Scientist of the Century Medal, Great Britain, and other honorary awards and diplomas in USA, UK, and USSR. The extremely hot summer of 2022, which dried up reservoirs and showered the rivers of Western and Central Europe, is due to two reasons: global warming and seismic activity. The author those lines in connection with seismic activity in Europe. And in 2 days, he predicted the exact date of strong earthquake, August 13th, 2022, and also named an approximate area of epicenter. On August 13th, strong earthquake, magnitude 5.3, struck the central Mediterranean Sea. U.S. Geological Survey, Jerusalem time, Figure 1. Following him, on August 14, 2022, a series of earthquakes occurred in western Turkey, a magnitude 4.9, Figure 2. In Greece, a magnitude 4.4, in the West Gibraltar, a magnitude 4.7, Figure 3. In addition, a series of earthquakes aftershocks of magnitude 3.1 to 4.3 occurred in the Mediterranean Sea these days. After these shocks, the heat in Europe began subside. Precipitation began. The weather recovered to its usual average seasonal norm. Note: the report of forecast of prolonged extreme heat and earthquakes in Europe was submitted to the Royal Foundation of Great Britain, the Earthshot Prize, Nobel Committee for Physics, at the suggestion of the West Caucasus Scientific Center, Executive Director, full member of the Russian Academy of Science, Dr. A.N. Lukin, nominated the author for those awards in 2020-2022. As well as a Facebook social network, the author received more than 10,500 positive reviews. However, abnormal, unusually hot weather in the last 10 days of August 2022 recovered in north, in the Mediterranean, and in the south of European part of Russia, in Caucasus, in St. Petersburg and Moscow. The maximum heat record for 140 years has been broken. The last week of August in Middle East turned out to be extremely hot. The maximum daily air temperatures in Jerusalem reached 38 degrees Celsius, and in Eilat, 43 to 44 degrees. In Damascus, Amman, the maximum air temperature did not fall below 42 degrees. In Baghdad, it did not fall below 46 to 47 degrees. Humidity in coastal cities has risen sharply. The authors' study have shown that the hot air flow from the east, southeast to the Middle East region occurred as a result of a series of powerful earthquakes that occurred in the northwest of the Indian Ocean. The epicenters of which were located in the Oven Fault Zone, not far from the Arabian Peninsula, and the mountain range Kausberg, which is associated with the tectonic faults of this peninsula. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, from August 28 to August 30, 2022, a series of strong earthquakes occurred in the area of Kausberg Ridge. A magnitude 4.7, 4.6, 4.8, 4.7, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 5.2, 5.1, figure 4 and 5. And in the Oven Fault Zone on August 30 and September 1st, earthquakes occurred with magnitude 4.5 and 5.4, figure 6. As for the abnormal heat in the European part of Russia and in the south, it is also associated with seismic activity in the southwest of Russia, the Caucasus, and Azerbaijan. In those regions, tremors up to magnitude 4 occur almost every day, which have become more frequent, especially in the second half of August. It should be noted that in 2022, manifestations of global warming were noted in Pakistan: extreme rise in air temperature, destructive floods. Japan, Korea, super typhoons. Central America and Florida, destructive hurricanes, are also associated with high seismic activity. So, the scientific concept of the author about the impact of seismic activity on the weather and climate changes is fully confirmed and contributes to modern branch of science, geoecology, and radically changes our ideas in the development of earth sciences.